What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing another recording of how far the toggle switch can go from the vehicle before losing signal. But I haven't done a video testing it from side to side, which I wanna do too. I wanna go on each side of the vehicle and extend myself out to see how far the toggle switch can really go on each side of the vehicle. So follow through, because this video is not gonna be cut or edit at any moment. The video is gonna be raw footage of me hooking up to the car, walking away, and let's see how far out past 100 feet we can really go with the toggle switch, and how far out we can go from side to side. All right, I'm hooked to the vehicle. Let's walk out. Now the line that I'm holding is 100 feet exactly, so it's gonna stretch out all the way out to 100. We got signal all the way out here. It's about 80 feet already. And that's it. This is as far as the line goes, right? $100, a 100-foot line. We're gonna set it down on the floor. Let's start with the roof bar. All the way out here at 100 feet, guys. Yellow X, white X, the SEs. Okay, the SEs are not turning off. There you go. They turned off. This is stretched all the way out to 100 feet. I'm gonna walk back another, I would say, 4 feet. Can still see the line down in the floor. Okay, we got signal here. The roof bar. Okay, it's trying to catch. It's catching, but it's not as accurate as it was at 100 feet. Of course, if I go up another, I don't even have to go out to 100. Standing at 90, I turn it off. Standing at 90, I got perfectly fine signal. Okay, so yeah, I hit the power by mistake. Okay, so we got 100 feet worth of signal, and we're good to about another 4 or 5 past 100. Okay, the lines work, the lights work, the signal works. Let's give it another, I don't know, what do you think? 1, 2, that's about 6 feet more. 5 feet more. Still works. Now, I'm gonna count my feet, because I don't have another line to measure from here to that 100-foot mark. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 110 feet, guys. That's pretty impressive. 110 feet, still rocking those lights, okay? And this is amazing, because I knew it could hit 100, but I didn't think it was gonna go out another 10 feet. So let's give it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? I'm doing the police test here with it. So this is another 15 feet past 100. 115. Okay, it turns on, struggles to turn off. I'm hitting it. Okay, turned off, on, off, on, off. The X's, you can see I don't know if you can see the yellow X's from here in the camera, but they're on, off, white, on and off. And look at that, the SEs are also working. It's amazing, because we are now further back and they're performing better. Okay, so 115 feet, give or take. We will have to do another testing with a longer line. So let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at this point I'm thinking I'm not gonna reach out, because this is 120 feet. Oh my God. I'm sorry, guys. Been a little sick. It performs even better than at 100 feet. Can you believe that? Okay, the SEs are struggling to turn on. Okay, turn on. Oh. Okay, on and off. There you go. Yeah, the signal, I'm hitting it too fast, so the signal takes a second longer to get to the car. But I'm pretty sure that with patience, it'll work. Okay, now we're talking about 120 feet distance from the vehicle with the toggle switch, okay? Let's give it another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gets me what?
130.
130, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
130. All right. So I'm stretching my arms out, right? The lines are still, the lights are still working. At least the roof bar is. Everything else should work because it's all attached to the same receiver. And I believe that if Novsight comes out with some type of antenna for the receiver, man, it'll be a lot better. But really, you don't need to be that far away to be controlling your lights. Okay, the whites are not turning off. Remember, guys, it's 130 feet out from the vehicle. Okay, 130 will be. Still works, but it's not really performing well. Okay, so okay, the minute you get to 100 feet, to the 100 feet mark, it starts working perfectly fine. That was awesome. So now I'm gonna do passenger side first. Okay, get closer to the vehicle, to the Jeep, and I'm gonna walk out. Try to get me in the camera and get the car. Okay. And I can't really see from here, okay? So you let me know when the lights are on or off. Okay, I'm stretched all the way out to 100 feet. And we're gonna test it from here. I can see the lights turning on. I see it. Turning on. Are they turning on yellow?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
White?
Yes.
Because I can't see from here.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we got signal at 100 feet from the passenger side. Okay, another 5 feet. 7 feet. I see the lights turning on and off. Signal. Let's go back all the way to these trees. Aim at me. I can't go any further, okay? So this will be about the same distance from the front, about 125 feet. Perfectly fine, guys. It's still working like a... Hey! I didn't think it was gonna go out so far. Really. I'm very impressed. I thought it was gonna go out. I knew it would go out to 100 because I had already tested it. But I thought maybe past 105, 110 feet. But this is amazing. Now, I don't expect much from the other side because the box is installed on the passenger side. And I guess the signal has to go through the motor to get to the other side. Because the box is installed on this side, where the battery is. So, let's see. It's working. Again, guys, I'm sorry, this is raw footage. I'm just recording, not stopping the video at any moment to do any edits. This is gonna be filmed completely unedited. It's stretched out completely. I can't go no further out. Let's see. Okay, 100 feet away from the car. Perfect signal. Hold on. I lost it a little bit there. Here, I got it. I'm past the 100 mark. Because aim over here. See the line? I'm gonna go back further out. Okay. Just what I thought. It's working, but it's not really performing the way it should. See, right here. This is about 105 feet away from the line. Still working. I'm walking back. Right here, I lose the signal right here. You guys can hear the clicks on the toggle switch. I'm walking forward. Okay. So right here, where I'm gonna leave the toggle switch on the floor, I'm gonna grab the line, stretch it all the way out because I kicked that in. Aim over here. I left it right there. The line is fully stretched. Walk here so they can see the number 100, the 100. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, so from the driver's side, the signal gets weaker. It doesn't go out to crazy numbers like 120, 125, no, like crazy stuff from the front or the other side. But it does perform up to 110 feet. Okay, this is 110 feet right here. And I start to lose signal right here. See, it passes the 100 feet mark. That's for sure. Struggles more than from the front and from the other side because the box is on the other side. But yeah guys, it's proven. Okay, I'm very impressed and I'm very happy with how the toggle switch controller performs, just because this is an amazing tool. And not only for us Jeepers, you guys can, all the overlanders, for you guys this is amazing. You guys have connected all the lights on your cars. You guys want to stand to the side and start building your camping or whatever it is that you guys do, and all you gotta do is just hit your lights. You need them. I don't think nobody's gonna park their cars or vehicles away further out than these. If you're setting up camp here and you need lights, this fits in your pocket. Like I said in the other videos, fits in your pockets. You can easily walk around with it, grab it, turn them on, off, and you can see how well it performs from here. We're standing at about 100, about 50 feet from the car. And here you don't have any. Everything works from here. So that was it. I just wanted to test it out one more time because I wanted to do the size also. Okay, so guys, until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope you guys having a great time.